Traders, investors, crypto enthusiasts, hello. May the 4th be with you. Now, we have quite an interesting thing happening in the markets right now. It looks like a healthier day today as everyone is lying in wait, waiting to see what Fed Chair Jerome Powell is going to be saying on his interest rate hikes. However, we also know the markets are oversold. So this does look like it's a bit of a healthier day, a little correction day. But based off what happens during this meeting, will really dictate what happens with the markets. So we did see that job numbers came out. I think it was either this morning or last night. They are not nearly as good as they thought, and we all know Fed Chair Powell, he is solely focused on the labor force, as well as we know that the core inflation number is pretty high. It's not quite as high as they expected, but it's pretty high. Our inflation rates are super high, and we also know that less people are buying homes, so Fed Chair Powell has a very, very tough job ahead of him. Anyways, in this video, we are going to be looking at Bitcoin and we're going to be looking at HBAR. Because HBAR, if it is setting up for a recovery, the time is now to get into the trade. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into it. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the subscribe because all of these videos are time sensitive. And let's see what the TA is telling us and if it will be respected. That's the biggest thing. So starting out, we are looking at HBAR. Let's go ahead and go to the daily time frame real quick. So the daily, you can see we are completely oversold. Completely oversold. We have a technical bullish divergence, just barely. A technical bullish divergence, which we also are pretty far away from our 20 EMAs. So if we see a relief rally, first off, I'm looking to come up here to 16,963 just to get onto that 20 EMA. That is where I'm first looking. Could it go past that? Of course, because we're super oversold. Next target right after that, you're looking to test this former supply line, which we were regarding as a supply line pretty well until finally we broke below it. Then we just kind of fell into no man's land because HBAR on this particular chart does not have much data. Just kind of is what it is. We fell out at the bottom. So we could be setting a bottom on this chart. I would have to look at a different exchange to get a little bit more data, but this is what we're looking at for now. So if we do see a recovery, we could see a beautiful 36% rise out of HBAR. Let's go to a lower time frame right now. So going down to the 4 hour, we can actually see we are putting in a little bit of bullish momentum. We are still oversold. Our stochastic RSI wants to curve down, so don't be surprised if you see one more touch to the bottom here. However, with our relative strength index being so low, could lead to some great price action that people aren't actually seeing. Also, this right here showing seller exhaustion, therefore technical bullish divergence. Technical bullish divergence. Don't get mad at me if it doesn't play out. I'm just showing you the technicals, okay? Anyways, we are being held down right now by the 20 EMA on the 4 hour, and this could lead to, if we get any type of bad anything out of the Fed Chair Powell meeting, we could see a drop of 14% down here to 11.763 cents. So keep that in mind. That is a possibility based off bad news. Okay? Keep it in mind. All right? I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm actually leaning a lot more bullish today, considering the entire market's trying to rally back. Anyways, if we go down to the 1 hour time frame, you can see relative strength index. We are now sitting right in the middle. We could go up or down, so it looks like we're just kind of chilling right now. We can see a technical bearish divergence. However, technical bullish divergence is forming as well. This is playing right into that. We can go up or down on the 1 hour. So I am still bullish today. I'm bullish. I think we're going to go up. Just that's how I'm feeling today. 15-minute, just right in the middle. Technically, this is just above the heart line. Heart line is sitting right down here at 14 cents even. So that is the heart line, the middle, where I would see some support, hopefully. That's also for you traders out there where your stop loss should be 14 cents even. Stop losses are important. Anytime you're trading, stop loss. Stop loss, stop loss, stop loss. If you don't have a stop loss, you're just gambling and hoping for the best. High possibility of getting liquidated. Anyways, now I'm sure you all are like, oh, where do you think the price is going to go if we do break bullish? Which noted, it can fall bearish. Let me make that extremely clear. Can fall bearish. And I already told you the bearish side. But if we do see a breakout, we're looking at a 14% rise, hitting this peak up here, 16.2 to 16.379. So that is my price target for HBAR. HBAR I think is looking great. It has not had its breakout like a lot of these other tokens already have. So if we do get our bullish news, you're going to see HBAR as well as the rest of the non-moving tokens probably start getting a little bullish. Anyways, let's go over to Bitcoin and let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Because Bitcoin, oddly enough, looking pretty darn good too. Looking pretty darn good. So you can see on the daily, we are putting in positive momentum. If we can keep this momentum going, we will put in a bullish engulfing candle, which, let's face it, we need it. We are bouncing off of resistance and the 20 EMA right now at 39,450. So we are testing it. We're trying to push above it. The bears are selling off out there. I don't know what all the fear's about, but hey, is what it is. We do have technical bullish divergence, considering we've been trading sideways for so long. Don't get me wrong, you could see a scam wick down. You definitely could. Scam wick all the way down here to 36,600. So keep that in mind. You could see the scam wick. Keep it in mind. So if you are making a long here, maybe just in case, have a buy order down here. Also, your stop loss currently should be sitting right here at 38,100. 38,100, that's your stop loss. So keep that in mind. Keep in mind also, this is just for entertainment value. This is not financial advice. Anything you look at on this channel, do your own research. But now let's go down to lower time frames. The 4-hour time frame, you can see we are running into that resistance up here. However, we do have the 20 EMA sitting right below us, which is very good. 20 EMA sitting below us, it's a sign. It's a good sign. We love to see it. You can see we did test that upper resistance level, so we are in this trading range. If we did see a big time fall, we could backtest at this level at 38,200. Could, possible, maybe, but it looks like the 50 EMA is trying to hold us up right now. The relative strength index, plenty of room to run to the upside. Stochastic RXI is flattening out on the top, but stochastic, we can honestly just go sideways and it doesn't really matter. But anyways, you can also see the volume starting to drop off, the negative volume dropping off completely, which is a sign of seller exhaustion. So keep that in mind. On the 1-hour time frame, it does show we are consolidating. We could have a consolidation and then rise to the upside. Could, possible, maybe. If we manage to break this level at 39,200 and it's convincing, I would actually be more inclined to think we are going to come up here to 41,200. I'm more inclined to think that. So I am feeling bullish today. And now we're just leaving it in the hands of Fed Chair Jerome Powell. Hopefully he does not try and push the entire market into a depression by raising the basis points by 75. Hopefully he doesn't do that. I do believe we have priced in the rate hike of a 0.5, so we're going to have to wait and see. But as of right now, feeling bullish. Hopefully you're feeling bullish too. Make sure you hit the bell, hit the like, hit the subscribe. Follow me on Twitch if you want to get live streams and get your requests in, because I do TA over there and I play Warzone. If you like to watch me die in Warzone, you can do that too. Anyways, I'm going to get up out of here. Keep those stop losses tight. And without further ado, have a great day.